Batch credits are a quick way of entering sales credit transactions into your accounts. There are limitations, such as batch credits can't be printed or emailed from the software, they don't link to your products and services list, and this means they don't adjust stock levels. However, if you don't require these options, for example, if you generate your credits using other software, then entering batch credits is a quick and simple way of recording a credit against your customer record. To enter a batch credit, open Customers, and then from the toolbar click Batch Credit. The first thing you need to specify is the customer's account reference. If you know it, you can just type it in, or if you're not that familiar with the account references, you can just choose them from the list. So we're just going to choose A1 Design Services, click OK. The date defaults to the current program date, which in this case is the 14th of December. We can then tab along, enter a credit note number, so C001, an extra reference if you have one, the nominal code that you want to allocate the credit note to. Now it will default to the nominal code that is assigned to the customer record. So you can change it if you want to, but it will default to that one. If you specify departments, you can enter your department, or again choose it from the drop down list. Similarly, if you use the projects option, I'm just going to leave those two as the defaults. Description in the details, so I'm just going to type credit, and then you need to enter the value. So we'll just quickly enter one for £100 at T1 tax code, which is 20% in my example, so it calculates the VAT automatically. Now we could continue entering additional credit note items if we want to break it down to item level, or continue on to entering credit notes against other customers. For the purpose of this demo, we'll just enter that one line only, save it, click close, and that's it done. And this customer here, if we now look at the activity, we can now see the credit note entered. So that's how easy it is to enter batch credits against your customers.